Trying to make some fast, fun funnel cakes. This is one of our more high-end versions. This special system that we have here, it does 3, 6, or based on how many fryers we have, we can do 20 every 5 minutes. Once we do a quick pour, we go ahead and push these guys through. They are 4-inch funnel cakes, not 8-inch like you see at the fair. Those take too long, and we want these to be yummy, and we don't want anyone getting too full. So we quickly pour them in, less than a minute inside the fryer. They come out, they get a quick rest, and after they get a quick rest, we come over here and we take and we give them a nice little bed, a plate to sit in, and from there it's a real quick scoop, a little bit of good old-fashioned strawberry love, and then we put a little bit of topping on there. Our toppings are pretty good. We're dealing with a little wind today, but it's all good. And then we have some chocolate drizzle, just for a little extra flavor, a little extra look. But look how fast you can kick out 3, 6, 9, 12 amazing funnel cakes. One of many of our fun foods that we offer here at Interact Events. Great for all occasions, all environments. Absolutely a delish way to get a cavity. So enjoy.